Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, Chrome or the official remote desktop app, and internet access. Sign into the same account on both devices so authorization works. Once signed in, open Chrome or the app and choose Remote Desktop. This starts the setup flow. Make sure device names are clear so you recognize them later. You're starting the process now, so proceed to accept permissions and allow Chrome or the app to manage remote sessions. Once done installing, on the computer you'll control, the host, accept the host component install, and grant requested permissions. These let the tool capture the screen and control input. You must set a 6-digit or longer PIN for unattended access. This prevents unauthorized connections. Make sure to verify power and sleep settings so the host stays reachable. After the host is authorized, refresh the client list on your controller device and confirm. To finish, select the host from the client list and enter your PIN. You'll see the remote desktop session start. If you need file transfer or clipboard sharing, enable those options in the session menu. If things go wrong, first check firewall rules, confirm the host isn't sleeping, and verify you're logged into the same Google account on both devices. If persistent issues persist, revoke remote access and reinstall the host. That usually resets broken authorizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.